Hello girl, hello boy, hello everybody, hello cuties! So today I'm gonna be showing you how to do everything. I'm gonna be doing my foundation, I'm gonna be doing concealer, everything, the whole look. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button that is in the corner somewhere. This one or this one, I don't know because the camera is like flipped, you know. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account, on my Snapchat, and on my Poshmark account. I'm gonna put everything here to see a lot of memes and a lot of silly stuff that I'm always doing because I'm silly as hell. So thank you so much for watching the video and let's get right into it. So I'm gonna use this foundation to prep my skin. I'm just gonna put it all over first with this brush, and then I'm gonna blend it with the Real Technique ones. Yes, I got back to it. And yeah, I'm just gonna blend it on my neck and everywhere. My neck, my back, it's my and my Now I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna use this one in this color. Now I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and I'm gonna put this thing everywhere. I'm gonna be looking like a panda with this. And I'm gonna use this bronzer. I like this thing, it's so pretty, it looks so nice, and I like that it has a lot of different shades. So and now I'm gonna use this palette for the eye look. I'm just gonna be applying the colors as I'm showing you, using a small blending brush. I'm gonna keep on adding color until it looks how I want it. Then I'm gonna take this color again and I'm gonna blend it. You're gonna keep on adding and blending, adding and blending. And I'm gonna use this pencil. This is gonna make the blue color pop even more. Now I'm applying this color here. And I'm applying this other shade of blue just to blend it, and it looks so pretty together. Now I'm applying this one to my crease, and I'm gonna dust away the excess of powder, and I'm going to apply the lighter blue on my bottom lash line. I have seen that blue is like really popular right now, so this is why I decided to use it on my under eye. A little bit of mascara and the lashes are popping, girl. Now highlight to the gods. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Ooh, ooh. And I'm gonna use a nude lipstick because it looks more classy that way. And this is the final look. I hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Love you. Bye.